must say hi, and I must say hey, and you shouldn't worry.
I'm Edigo.
I'm Taylor.
This is K-pop Trash. So from the previous video, we were watching Artificial Love. Now we're going to be watching White Nose, which is my favorite song, and I can't wait to see it.
Okay.
Leave it there, bro.
Excuse me, Bacon. Excuse me, Chanel. Who told you? Was this all in the same day?
Oh, my part is about to come up. Oh. Oh. Oh.
I told him dick.
My part. Hold on.
Wow.
Oh, come on. I hear you, I feel you. Oh my god, I love that part so much.
I haven't really heard the song before. Oh, he's so cute. He's so cute.
Baby, somebody.
I think that's
Somebody loves you. Oh, oh, oh.
What are you thinking?
I'm doing the second part.
Oh, bitch, thinking what? Hold up. Who told you?
I'm doing good.
I have to sync the video when I see you. Excuse me, Lay.
So much hot people on the stage.
And what? Who told them? Oh, look at me. Excuse me, Lay. Bacon is such a good singer, though. Shania was my baby. I'm showing a lot of pictures and I don't have pictures. Oh my god, look at my man.
Did you see what I just did?
No.
He smiled at me. He was smiling at me. He was thinking of me.
Oh shit, stay home, fuck it up. I'm a party till the sundown.
I'm so messy right now. Do what you do best, Chen.
He got a
Bless our
long ass
ears.
neck.
Right?
I said he got a long ass neck. What did you say?
Shit.
He's so cute.
Oh no.
What is EXO song? What is an EXO song without harmony? That's what I want to know.
Lotto.
There is harmonies in that song. There's a growl. No, what is it? Wolf.
Don't talk about that. Don't talk about it.
Chogiwa. Chogiwa.
This is rough.
Lay is really like causing me problems.
My stomach hurts so bad, people.
Kai, you are not my bias, and I need you to calm your shit. Bitch.
So that.
Thanks
for me.
you.
Oh my god, I love this song, the performance. I was so in love with the song, I didn't even see the performance whole tea, but it was so good. Oh my god, did you see all those looks Kai gave me? Like, I know I'm hot, but damn.
I didn't hear anything because she was singing in my ear. So I'm gonna have fun trying to sync the video later.
Love. Why is she always complaining? But I love the song, by the way, and I want to say thank you again to the person who recommended these videos. I would have never watched it without you.
Her name is, or her username is Leeana Johnson.
Mrs.
So-
Johnson, because I don't know if you're older than me or younger than me, but Mrs. Johnson, thank you. Or Leanne, thank you. Whichever one.
You're
And the other one that told, what's the other comment that told us?
Chan Simone. Thank you for telling us
Thank
it was
you,
Kai.
bruh. I feel so dumb. It's Chanyeol. It's Chanyeol.
I told her it wasn't because I was like, Chanyeol wouldn't dance. And then
But I wasn't sure though, because I don't believe her, because she says shit, but I don't worry. But thank you so much for watching us. I'm Edigo,
I'm Taylor.
and this is K-pop Trash.
Bye.
Subscribe.
And like and leave a comment.
I know you're not gonna subscribe. I know it, but anyway, subscribe.
Not so bad. No, no, no. If you see me at the party conversating, that doesn't mean tell.